Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview, February 6, 2015. Traders, good day to you on a Friday. Not only is it Friday, it's NFP Friday, biggest news event of the month. Traders, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, bright and early in the morning. Nice blue sunny skies, cool breeze, sandy beaches. Oh, I think I'm going to be out there this afternoon, my friends. I normally don't trade out at FP Fridays. Just don't do it. Anyhow, let's move on. Let's talk a little bit about myself. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator for the Market Opening Preview Series. And I started trading in the year of 2006. 2008, I retired from a great career in the Fire Rescue Department out of the great state of Florida 27 years later and came to Thailand for a 3-month holiday. Well, traders, it's 2015 and I'm still here and I'm having a great time. And if you want to trade Forex, this is the time zone to be in. I can basically trade all 3 time zones and still get a good night's sleep. All right, traders, I do trade every day in the market. I don't necessarily take trades every day, but I am involved in the market. I'm watching, I'm listening. I have charts in front of me all the time, whether it's on my phone or on a computer that I carry with me, my MacBook Air. I'm always involved with what's going on and try to keep up on the events as they go through the day. All right, let's get this legal stuff out of the way. This is a risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, most of all, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Meaning, if you're on a demo account for 3 months, go to a live account, yep, you're going to see a difference in your trading. And don't worry, we've all been there and we've all gone through it. So it's not a big deal. You'll just have to work through it and get some education. All right, let's move on. News and commentary. Well, not a lot of news. I think this was the most craziest week I've seen the Forex market price action ever since I've been trading. I've never seen so much up, down, and all around in a long time. I understand the effect from Aussie lowering their interest rates 25 basis points, but I don't understand the rest of the week. I mean, there was just moves that just absolutely boggled my mind, out of the trend, all over the place, and you'll see that in the charts. Traders, commentary for today is basic. If you are trading NFP and you're an experienced trader, that is awesome. I give you my hats off to you. Unfortunately, I am not, so I don't trade it. I watch it though; it's a good show to watch, but I don't trade when the NFP number is announced. If you're not experienced traders, please trade NFP on a demo account. Realize that NFP is not the only number that comes out. There's like 8 pieces of information that is coming out at the same time. And the market will whipsaw you. So you have to be very careful if you're going to trade the NFP announcement. Okay? All right, that's my thing on that. Okay, here are the charts. Boy, I wouldn't mind getting in that little boat and taking a little stir down the lake there. Looks absolutely awesome. All right, here we go. Euro dollar. Here we go. This is supposed to be bearish, right? This is a bearish pair. The euro is bearish. Look at this chart. Does this look bearish to you? This is not bearish. On the daily chart, it's bearish, but it's in a nasty range. But this is not a bearish chart. So we trade the 1-hour chart. So I'm looking for this to come back to the 618. We'll take it back up, and it's a really easy trade plan. This is not difficult. As long as this stays above the 200, I'm going to trade it to the long side. I mean, to the short side. And I'm going to sell it. I totally confused myself on that one. We're going to buy it on a retrace to the 61.8 as long as it is above the 200 exponential moving average. Okay, got that straight. And we're just going to use the 200 as a stop loss. All right, let's take a look at the pound. Here's the pound again. I don't know what happened to this chart. Got cut off. Anyhow, the pound, again, is at resistance. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to wait for this pullback, and then we're going to wait for it to come back up, and we'll buy it. We're going to use the 38.2 as our stop, look left of the chart. You can see there's a lot of reaction to that price area, and see what happens. The Aussie is very difficult. The Aussie's all over the place. You know, it's below the 200, so I put a trade plan that we're going to take this below and see if this cracks this below. Listen, this is 5 hours before the London Open, so if this, you know, ends up 3 candles above the 200 exponential moving average, I'll assess and see if I want to buy the Aussie dollar. But I really don't. I want to sell the Aussie dollar. Even though it's come up as much as it has, I still want to sell the Aussie dollar. Here's a Euro Aussie. One of my favorite pairs to trade, but this week and last week's just been absolutely unbelievably nuts. The only consistent thing is that it has stayed above the 200 exponential moving average. But look at some of these candles with these wicks and stuff. There's so many indecision candles there. I only want to trade this to the upside, so I want to break this trend line, and then we'll take it to the upside. We'll just take it up top to the top of the trend line where that resistance is, and that looks like that's about 48.70, and we'll take profits from there. I really don't want to trade this down. You could, but there's just too much junk left of the chart to be taking this to the downside. All right, let's take a look at the Euro Yen. The Euro Yen, again, you know, we just want to, it's bullish. It's above the 200. You know, look at this chart. Is this the ugliest chart you've seen? This, I mean, pip-wise, there's a lot of pips here. And, you know, if you were on the right side of this, you did really well this week. But I'll tell you, if you were in and out of the markets and you were trying to figure this out, you got beat up pretty good this week. And I think a lot of people did get beat up pretty good this week. I've gotten several emails. So just keep an eye on that. What we do is we're going to wait for this to come back to the 61.8, and we're going to take it to the upside. And you're going to say, well, what if it goes below the 200 exponential moving average? If it goes below the 200 exponential moving average, I'll look to sell it. And I'll take it down to the, what is that, 133.17 area? 20 area? Or 133.300, that looks great. And I'll sell it. But as long as it remains above that 200 exponential moving average, I'm going to buy this. So I'm looking to buy it. It's too late to, you know, like, don't look at this chart and go to your chart and say, okay, let's sell this because we got a nice big red candle. You know, we don't chase price. And this, you know, if you were going to sell this, you should have did that, you know, 6 hours ago, not now. You missed that opportunity. That opportunity is gone. It was a great opportunity, but you missed it. So, if you were going to sell, you should have did it a long time ago. Now's not the time to sell it. So we'll just wait for it to get to the 618. Hopefully it'll turn around and head back up and we'll get some pips out of it. All right, New Zealand has done nothing this week. It's been in a range on the daily chart, and it's been in a range on the hourly chart. So nothing's happened with this. There's nothing to do. I wouldn't even trade the New Zealand dollar today. I just take it off your forecast list and just don't even trade it. It's not doing anything, and it's not a big reactor to NFP, which is non-foreign payrolls. Comes out in New York. We do have some data throughout the London session. We have foreign currency reserves out of the Swissy and retail sales out of the Swiss, and out of the pound, we don't have anything. And then it's NFP stuff. And that's about it. That's all that data is. I'm telling you, if we're going to get some price action, it'll be at the London Open, and we'll probably get maybe an hour, 2 hours worth of price actions, and the markets after that will go flat. They will absolutely just die out and go flat. You won't see anything happening. Okay, that's normal with NFP, and then it's all go from there. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I want to thank you for joining me this week for the Market Opening Preview Series. And don't forget, sometime after the New York session, I will give you the Friday wrap-up. So keep an eye out for that. Traders, enjoy your weekend break. Get some rest. Enjoy family and friends. And do some Forex homework. I will catch you on, well, catch you on the next stage of session. That's when I do this. So we'll see you before the next week. London Open. Did I confuse you? Yeah. Okay. All right, traders, take care. I'm in Thailand, and it's absolutely beautiful day out there today, and so I'm 12 hours ahead of Eastern Standard Time, so my days get a little bit confusing. Traders, have a great weekend. See you next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.